Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 40 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications, swipe down once again to extend the list, and at the bottom you'll find a power button. Click on it and then select power off. Now once the device turns off, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. This will boot us into boot mode. In here, using volume buttons to navigate, you want to select recovery mode, so it's visible right over here, and then confirm it with power button. Now next thing you will see is Android with no command, basically exactly this page. So when you do, hold power button and press volume up once, and this will automatically redirect you to recovery mode. In here, just as before, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up and down, and power button again will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options that we have access to, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which will take us a step back to the previous screen, enter fast boot mode, which presumably might do the same thing, which is the first screen that we have seen once we turned off the device, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So these are all the options that we have access to in this mode. Now I'm gonna select the first one, reboot system now, confirm it, and like I said, this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in our Android system. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.